everyone, welcome back again to this tutorial. So in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can edit your footer option, which is also showing copyright terms in WordPress themes. So for example, let me open my site here. Then you see, if I open my site, you can see now after opening my site, yes, you can see now. After opening my site now, then when I scroll down to the footer button of my website, you can see I have the information here, which is displaying, saying that, or talking about now the information of the editing of footer buttons. You can see now I have here, I have, you see now I have copyright, see, all right reserved, Chrome in use by AF themes. So now you want me removing the themes or options or this copyright option from your WordPress footer. Now this is what you are going to be talking about in this tutorial. So if you do not subscribe to this channel now, Max TV, subscribe today, like this video, share this with your friends, and turn on notification bell button so as you always get notified when we are uploading new video here at No Max TV. So what I need to do, I need to come here in my website. So I come here to plugins where I need to install plugins. So I click add new. When I press add new there, so which means I want to add new plugin um, in my WordPress. So what I have to do, I have to search here. You can search visual footer credit remover. You see this is a plugin which is called visual footer credit remover, which is going to be helping you to remove this footer option. You see it has also 15 also ratings by now, and it has 13 plus thousands installations. What I have to do, I have to activate it. You see now in my WordPress is activated, and what I have to do is to come here to uh, I have to come here and tools after activating it. So you can come here to your plugins and see that is installed. After that, you can come here to tools in your WordPress. Now I just click here on the visual footer credit remover. Then I click on it. Once I click on it, you can see various informations which are making my website. You can see posts. I have a post in my WordPress. You can see I have a header, I have footer, I have each and everything. So now you see where, however I scroll, now I move with my cursor, it is going to be put anywhere. And what I have to do, I have to scroll down to the footer of my website. So let me scroll down. So after scroll down, now can see I can come here and put the cursor here, which means I want to remove all this top header. You see I put here at the bottom. So what I see now, you see on this side, I can have various information. See, visual footer credit remover, which is also visual text. You see this paragraph. You can see how you are going to be filling the information. Here is where I'm going to be filling the information, and what I select is going to be displaying here. So once I select this, it's going to be displaying here, and what I put here is about replacing this information. So now let me click on this because the one I want to remove, and you see now after clicking on that one, it is also going, it is not showing there. So what you see is here selector, which means the one I selected. I can again insert this into my WordPress, so I can even remove it totally from my WordPress. So what I have to do, I have type here what I want to be adding to my website or replacing to my website. So for example, I can type all right reserved. So you see as I type here now, see as I type now it is changing. All right, reserved. Yes, already reserved. Now I put also the symbol I want to be putting there. So if there is no symbol, I write it. Then I can put also my website. All right, reserved. No right. Yes, I put also the information I want to be displaying there. 2022. Yes. You can see now this is the information I added here. Now I can also make sure I collected this one if it is collect. So after this, what I have to do is to scroll down. I can be coming here and change, add what I want to be adding. So you can see if I have any information I want to add, I can be adding the informations. But if I don't have any, also what I need to do is to be clicking here. You can see now after clicking here, I can see alright reserved, no arrive 2022. So I can click here on insert. You see before, you see those are all the options. You can see after, you can see replace, you can see insert. So what you need to do also after putting this, or you need to be maybe you replace also what you have to replace. Now what you have to do is to click also save. What you click save also, you see now here there is save button here. You need to click save to ensure that you save your information, then you start also getting your site now live. So you see now it is save. Now when I click save also, you can see now depending on the option you have put there, you can see now also settings updated. So which means also I have updated new information. So now let me try to refresh this button to see if it worked. Now if it not worked also, you can go back and see now the mistake we did, which is the one also we didn't put also replace. As you can see now here, I still have now also this one, which is the themes. Now you have to make sure that you have also inserted the information as well as you want. So you see now we are here, and what you need to do to check if your changes have been affected. So you may need also to open new browser to make sure that it has affected, or you can be signing out from your browser to see that it has affected. So let me try opening new browser and show you. Now I can open my Edge, my computer, then I show how it affected. So what I need to do, I need to search my website again. So as you see now, yes, I search my websites. Yes. Now I click on my website and I wait for it to open. So now what I have to do, I have to scroll down to see if my chains have affected. Also, as you see now, I explore. Sorry, I go back to this browser, then I scroll to the bottom. So you see now my change also has been affected, and you see now also the changes occurred to my also my footer of my website. So this is how you can be editing this footer for website if you have something like powered by and the other information you don't want on your website. You can be also replacing this by using this visual copyright editor for your WordPress themes in easy and simple steps. So remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel, like and share to our friends. So if you have any comment or suggestion, leave it in our comment section, and don't forget to hit notification bell button so as you always get notified when we upload a new video here at Max TV.